This 2021 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 8, self-contained, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, slide-out, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 263BHXL is 6,082 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.